Imagine a world where one of the ocean's most fascinating creatures is mysteriously wiped out by the billions, leaving entire ecosystems in chaos. Well, that's exactly what happened to sea stars, or starfish, as they're often called, along the North American Pacific coast. Starting in 2013, a baffling wasting disease decimated over 20 species, with some losing up to 90% of their numbers. The sunflower sea star, a vibrant and voracious eater, was hit the hardest, losing around 90% of its population in just 5 years. It's a gruesome sight, as healthy sea stars with their puffy arms suddenly develop lesions and lose their limbs. But here's where it gets controversial. After more than a decade of investigation, scientists have finally pinpointed the culprit, a common bacterium called Vibrio Pectenicida, which has also infected shellfish. This breakthrough is a game changer, as it opens up new possibilities for intervention. But the journey to this discovery was far from straightforward. Early research mistakenly pointed to a virus, and even when scientists focused on the bacteria, they missed the real killer because they studied dead sea stars that no longer contained the crucial bodily fluids. It was only by analyzing the coelemic fluid, where the bacteria reside, that the mystery was finally solved. And this is the part most people miss. The implications of this discovery are far-reaching. Now that we know the cause, we can test the remaining sea stars for health and consider relocation or captive breeding programs. We can also explore if some populations have natural immunity and whether probiotics might boost their resistance. The stakes are high, as sea stars play a crucial role in maintaining balance in Pacific ecosystems by controlling sea urchin populations. With fewer sea stars, sea urchins have exploded in numbers, decimating 95% of Northern California's kelp forests within a decade. These kelp forests are the rainforests of the ocean, providing habitat and food for countless marine species. The hope is that with this new knowledge, we can restore sea star populations and revive the kelp forests, ensuring the survival of countless marine creatures. But what do you think? Could this discovery lead to a new era of ocean conservation, or do you believe there are other factors at play? Share your thoughts, and let's start a conversation.